This is not a motorhome designed for casual road trips. The 2026 Caterpillar EARTHDOMINATOR 10x10 is built for environments where reliability is everything and self-sufficiency is essential. Welcome back to Mobyx Auto. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most extreme luxury expedition vehicles ever conceived. The EARTHDOMINATOR 10x10 redefines what it means to travel without limits. This isn't just an RV. It's a fully engineered mobile command center created for those who want to explore the world without compromise. From the outside, the design is bold and unmistakably industrial. Inspired by heavy-duty transport platforms, it features reinforced body construction, high ground clearance, and 10 massive off-road tires designed to conquer nearly any terrain. The stance alone communicates strength and capability, whether parked in a city plaza or positioned in the middle of a remote landscape. Step inside, and the experience transforms. The cabin feels more like a private executive lounge than a traditional motorhome. The living area offers premium seating, subtle ambient lighting, and a layout designed for long-term comfort. The kitchen is modern and functional, equipped with high-quality appliances, smart storage, and durable materials suitable for extended expeditions. The bedroom provides a quiet retreat with a full-size bed, controlled climate zones, and carefully designed lighting. The bathroom rivals upscale hotels, featuring a spacious shower, refined fixtures, and efficient water management systems built for independence. Underneath the luxury lies serious engineering. Power comes from a heavy-duty Caterpillar diesel platform focused on torque, durability, and endurance. The intelligent 10x10 drivetrain distributes power evenly across all wheels, allowing the vehicle to maintain traction on sand, snow, mud, and steep terrain. Advanced suspension technology helps keep the ride stable and composed despite the vehicle's size and weight. Long-range fuel capacity and integrated off-grid energy systems allow extended travel far from civilization. Digital systems include terrain navigation, real-time diagnostics, multiple camera angles, and satellite connectivity, ensuring drivers remain informed and connected wherever they go. Safety is equally prioritized. Reinforced structural components, advanced braking systems, multi-axle stability control, and driver assistance technologies all work together to provide confidence in demanding conditions. As expected, exclusivity comes at a premium. Industry estimates suggest pricing could reach several $million depending on customization and configuration. Ownership involves specialized maintenance and planning, but this vehicle is designed for longevity and lasting value. The 2026 Caterpillar EARTHDOMINATOR 10x10 represents a rare combination of industrial strength and refined living. Few vehicles offer this level of comfort while maintaining true off-road dominance. For those who seek independence, capability, and presence, this may be one of the most remarkable motorhomes ever created. If you enjoyed this overview, subscribe to Mobyx Auto and share your thoughts below. Where would you take the EARTHDOMINATOR 10x10?